Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a water level indicator. So the components that we are going to use to make our circuit are 3 BC547 transistors, 3 330 ohms resistors, a blue LED, a red LED, a green LED, a buzzer, a battery, few connecting wires, a breadboard, and a container jar which looks something like this. Now let's have a look at our circuit and see the working of a circuit. So here is a circuit of our water level indicator. Our water level indicator consists of 3 transistors. The working of our water level indicator circuit is pretty simple. We have connected a common point to the base of the container. The base of the first transistor is kept at the lower level of the container. The base of the second transistor is kept at the medium level of the container. The base of the third transistor is kept at the brim of the container. So now what happens is, when you start pouring the water into the container, the water level rises and comes to the lower level of the container. As soon as the water is filled up to the lower level, what happens is, the base of the transistor 1 and the common point gets shorted. Now when the common point gets shorted to the base of the transistor, current is allowed to pass to the base of the transistor. Now when there is a base current of the transistor acts as a on switch. When the transistor acts as an on switch, current is passed through the collector and the emitter. When the current is passed through the collector, LED turns on. This indicates that our water is up to the lower level. The same case happens with the medium level and the high level. When the water is fully filled to the brim, and the high pin and the common pin gets shorted. When the high pin and the common pin gets shorted, buzzer starts to beep. Now that we have seen the working of a circuit, let us start connecting the components on the breadboard and design our circuit. Now once when we are ready with the components, let us start connecting a circuit by placing the transistor on the breadboard. Make the rest all connections as shown in the circuit. Now once when we finish connecting the components of a circuit on the breadboard, let us power up our circuit by giving the 5 volts to the upper rail of the breadboard and ground to the lower rail of our breadboard. Now let us test our circuit by adding the water into the container. You can see that the blue LED turns on and tells us that water is at the lower level. Now the green LED turns on and tells us that water is up to the medium level. Now let us still add the water. Now the red LED glows and tells us that water has reached the brim of the container and the buzzer starts to beep. Hope you enjoyed watching our video and learned how to design a water level indicator. This circuit is simple to make at your home. You can have this to your tank and know the water levels of your water tanker. If you like our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.